Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIVS Home School. I am Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. Today I am going to conduct a computer class for the students of class 4. Our today's topic is Chapter 6, Reading, MCQ and Question Answer. I repeat, our today's topic is Chapter 6, Reading, MCQ and Question Answer. Dear students, look at board. I have written here Lecture 1 SW1. That means today is the first class for the annual examination of the subject computer. Whenever I will take your second class, it will be Lecture 2. It is Lecture 1 and SW1. So dear students, look at board here. So look, you will see here some tools, different kinds of tools, basically 7 tools, but here the minor tools are given also. So on the basis of 7 tools, today our class will be held. Now we will go to our reading session. So all of you open your computer ahead book 3, chapter 6, more on text paint. Dear students, look here, I have written here only the summary or the main things. This is not the whole passage, this is the summary so that you can understand it properly. I am reading, give your attention. TextPaint is a great open source application software for drawing and coloring. Starting the TextPaint. To start TextPaint, click on Start, then All Programs, then TextPaint windowed. So opening screen here. The toolbox contains the drawing and editing tools. So look here different types of tools are given. Here tools, here colors, here brushes. The toolbox contains the drawing and editing tools. You can select the tool you want. So look here different types of tools like here it is written stem tool, paint tool, line tools, shape tool. That means I have taken this picture from your computer ahead book. You can select the tool you want. For example, the paint brush. The selector lets you select different varieties of the tool that you have selected. The color box lets you select the colors. So look here, it is the color box. Different types of colors are given here. The drawing area is the place where you draw. So look here, the indicator is drawing area. The help area gives information about the selected tools. So look here, help area, different types of selected tools are given. You can select any one to draw. So look here, drawing tools. Let us look at some of the drawing tools available. Paint tool at first. So basically there are 7 tools. So first one is paint tool. The paint tool is similar to the brush tool in MS Paint. It lets you draw freehand. Now line tool. The line tool lets you draw straight lines. It is similar to the line tool in Paint. But you can do much more with the text line tool. Now we will go to shape tools. So look at the picture here, we see different types of geometrical shapes are given here. That means with the help of shape tools we have drawn this. So look, the shapes tool lets you draw simple geometrical shapes. You can draw just outlined or shapes filled with color. It is similar to the tools under shapes in Paint. Now stem tool. So look at the picture here, with the help of stem tool I have given a picture of birthday cake here. That means with the help of stem tool we have drawn a birthday cake here. This is a unique tool in TextPaint. It makes drawing in Paint a lot of fun. It is not available in Paint. Now we will go to text tool. The text tool lets you add text and number. You can select the style or font of the text from the selector box. The text tool is available in Paint also. Now magic tool. This is another unique tool in TextPaint. It is used to give amazing special effect in the drawing. Next one is eraser tool. The eraser tool works in the same way as the eraser tool in Paint. You can use it to erase any part of the drawing. So our 7 tools are given. Now other commands. So look other commands here. It is undo and redo. As in our other programs, clicking undo will cancel the last drawing action. Clicking redo will redo the action. You just cancel with undo. So look at the save and open tools options. To save your drawings, click on the save tool. Drawing your drawing will be saved. So our reading session is done. That means summary and main points discussion is done. Now we will go to our choose the best answer or MCQ. Give your attention here. So look at the first term. I have given here 7 MCQ. So a features of the TuxPaint that is not available in Paint is, that means from our text we have learned that the correct answer will be STEM tools. So look at the option here, Paint tool, Line tool, Undo tool and the STEM tool. We know that correct answer is the STEM tool. Which of these is not part of the magic tool? Options, fill, text, books, blur. Answer will be text. That means all the parts, for example, fill, books, blur, these all are the part of magic tool. Only the text is not the part of magic tool. Which of these is present at the bottom of the text screen? So look at the option, toolbox, no, color box, no, selector, no. Only the help area is at the bottom of the text screen, help area. Which tool is used to give special effect to a picture? Option, magic tool, stamp tool, shapes, paint. We know the answer will be magic tool. How many types of tools are there? 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, in my discussion I have told you there are 7 basic tools are there. So answer is C, 7. Which tool is used to draw a straight line? Stamp tool, line tool, paint tool, text tool. We know the answer. Answer is line tool. So which is a unique? Option, text tool, stamp tool, shape tool, line tool. From our text we have learned that unique tool is stamp tool. So MCQ is done. Now we will go to answer the following questions. I have given you only the 2 questions. So look here. Number 1, how many drawing tools are found in TuxPaint to draw and paint? Look at the answer. The toolbox contains the drawing and editing tools. Basically there are 7 drawing tools in the TuxPaint to draw and paint. They are paint tool, line tool, stamp tool, shape tool, text tool, magic tool. Last one is eraser tool. Question number 2. How do we use the paint tool? Answer, we use the paint tool, we select the paint tool, then we select the color from the color box and the size of the brush from the selector. Finally, we click and hold the left mouse button and draw what we want in the drawing area. Dear students, look here. I have given your SW. Your SW is chapter 6, question and answer. That means only 2 questions and answer I have given. You will do this in your SW. So dear students, look, I have given my phone number here. So if you have any confusion, you can phone me. I will give you solution over my phone. Now I hope that all of you have understood our today's discussion. Read the text again and again. Keep practicing MCQ and question answer and abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.